Little Marvels.
Hello friends, welcome to Little Marvels, your favorite channel for learning and having fun. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome educational content. Today, I want to continue talking to you about toddler moral lessons. These are important lessons that teach us how to be good and kind. Let's learn some more important moral lessons together. First, let's talk about the word patience. 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 Patience is pronounced patience. Patience means waiting calmly for something without getting angry or upset. For example, waiting for your turn to play shows patience. Next, we have responsibility. 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 Responsibility is pronounced responsabilities. Responsibility means doing what you are supposed to do and taking care of your tasks. For example, cleaning up your toys after playing shows responsibility. Another important word is courage. 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 Courage is pronounced courage. Courage means being brave and doing something even when you feel scared. For example, standing up for a friend who is being teased shows courage. Let's learn about resilience. 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 Resilience is pronounced resilience. Resilience means bouncing back and trying again when things are hard. For example, practicing riding a bike even after falling down shows resilience. Now let's talk about empathy. 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 Empathy is pronounced empathies. Empathy means understanding how others feel and caring about their feelings. For example, comforting a friend who is sad shows empathy. Next, we have generosity. 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 Generosity is pronounced generosities. Generosity means being willing to share and give to others. For example, donating toys to children who don't have any shows generosity. Let's learn about gratitude. 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 Gratitude is pronounced gratitude. Gratitude means feeling thankful and appreciating what you have. For example, saying thank you when someone helps you shows gratitude. Remember, learning moral lessons is about being patient, responsible, courageous, resilient, empathetic, generous, and grateful. Practice these lessons every day, and you will grow up to be a kind and good person. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Little Marvels for more fun and educational videos. See you next time! Hi everyone, my name is Lily, and welcome to Little Marvels, your favorite channel for fun and educational content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our exciting videos. Today we're going to learn about good etiquette. Are you ready? Let's get started. Etiquette means polite behavior and good manners. It's important to know how to behave nicely with others. Let's talk about some important points of good etiquette. First, let's talk about please. 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 Please is pronounced as please. It is a polite way to ask for something. For example, can I have a cookie, please? Using please makes you sound kind and respectful. Next is thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you is pronounced as thank you. It is what you say when someone does something nice for you. For example, thank you for the gift. Saying thank you shows appreciation. Now let's learn about excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me is pronounced as excuse me. It is a polite way to get someone teacher's attention or to apologize for a small mistake. For example, excuse me, can you help me? Or excuse me, I didn't mean to bump into you. Next up is sorry. 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 Sorry is pronounced as sorries. It is what you say when you have done something wrong. For example, I am sorry for being late. Saying sorry shows that you care about others' feelings. Now let's talk about sharing. 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 Sharing is pronounced as sharing. It means giving a part of what you have to someone else. For example, I am sharing my toys with my friend. Sharing is a way to show kindness and generosity. Next is waiting your turn. Waiting your turn. Waiting your turn. Waiting your turn is pronounced as waiting your turn. It means letting others go before you in a line or game. For example, I am waiting my turn to slide. Waiting your turn shows patience and respect for others. Now let's learn about listening. 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 Listening is pronounced as listening. It means paying attention when someone is talking. For example, I am listening to my teacher. Listening shows respect and helps you understand better. Next is using kind words. Using kind words. Using kind words. Using kind words is pronounced as using kind words. It means speaking in a friendly and polite way. For example, you did a great job. Using kind words makes people feel good and happy. Finally, let's talk about helping others. Helping others. Helping others. Helping others is pronounced as helping others. It means doing something nice for someone. For example, I am helping my mom with the dishes. Helping others shows kindness and makes the world a better place. Let's put all these points together. Good etiquette means being polite and showing good manners. You should always say please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry when needed. Share your things, wait your turn, listen to others, use kind words, and help others whenever you can. Great job! You did amazing learning about good etiquette. Remember to practice these good manners every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Little Marvels for more fun and educational content. See you next time! Today we will learn some English words related to everyday items that kids can use in daily life. Like and subscribe for more educational content. Carton of milk. Carton of milk. Bag of sugar. Bag of sugar. Glass of water. Glass of water. Bowl of rice. Bowl of rice. Jug of water. Jug of water. Loaf of bread. Loaf of bread. Cup of tea. Cup of tea. Bar of chocolate. Bar of chocolate. Plate of cookies. Plate of cookies. Packet of chips. Packet of chips. Jar of jam. Jar of jam. Basket of fruits. Basket of fruits. Box of crayons. Box of crayons. Pencil case. Pencil case. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Toy box. Toy box. Backpack. box, loon box, pair of socks, pair of socks, set of keys, set of keys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more educational content.